Welcome. Welcome to Curriculum, Instruction, and Assessment for Students with Disabilities. This spring, 2016, the course number is Special Education 136, and I am Dr. Coy, your instructor. This is the website. I'm going to give you a quick tour before you started. Right now it is on student preview, so this is what you should be seeing. We have our banner up here, and we have my contact information, text or call, email, Twitter. Our class hashtag is hashtag curriculum 136, and my office is in education 357. Where do you start? You start with the announcements and the welcome letter. So here we go. This explains what the course is, what you're going to be taking on, how you need to go to Blackboard orientation if you have not done that before, and do the student guide, and make sure you ask me any questions that you have. Over here on the left, you then go to the weekly units. So let's have us get there. This is an example of what some of the weekly units are, as well as the dates that they are to help you out. So on week 8, between March 15th and April 4th, make sure you go to that weekly unit and see what's there. Let's check out one of the earlier ones. Let's check out week 2, February 2nd through February 8th. So I go ahead and click and get into the unit there. I make sure that I always have a goal. A goal for week 2 is re-envisioning education. I always have content, which is the Universal Design for Learning book, Chapter 1, and there's a link right to it. There's a quest every week. The quests are time sensitive and need to be done within the week. For example, quest number 2, you need to open up the document that is attached, assessment reflection. You need to look at the third column and fill it out, save the document, and turn it in for your quest. In addition, under discussions, you have keepers and queries. There's an explanation of that, and that is for UDL Chapter 1. More information, we have the syllabus under the syllabus tag, as well as a schedule. And under course documents, we have the welcome letter again, the syllabus and schedule again, and the challenges or the assignments and the rubrics. These will also be embedded within each weekly unit when they're due, or you can go to the course documents to help you out. Let's see. I want to go back to weekly units so you can see if we can get there during the screencast. The weekly units will also let you know what it is that you're focusing on. How do I learn? Are you an expert learner? And of course, week 1 is to see how to get set up for the whole class. As an example of some of the announcements, one of my favorite ways to do announcements is to create a Voki. So on some of them, you'll have a Voki that's been created, and then you can just press on it to see what it is I'm going to say.
Hello, learners. I love this class. You are so smart and interesting and such fun. Great job on the quests, challenges, and discussions.
So you see, we try to make the class fun. I hope you'll enjoy it. Please remember to contact me with a lot of whatever questions or information you need. I am very good about responding to texts, phone calls, and emails on evenings and weekends during the course semester, and that's because I know that you're also working during that time.